Introduction to online photography classes. Are you passionate about photography? Do you want to take your skills and knowledge to the next level? Well, the good news is that you can now earn money from your love for photography by taking online classes. Yes, you heard it right. Online photography classes not only help you enhance your skills but also open doors for various income opportunities. In this video, we will explore how you can turn your passion into a profitable business by enrolling in online photography classes. So grab your camera and let's dive in. How to make money from online photography classes. Are you a passionate photographer looking to monetize your skills? Online photography classes could be the answer. Not only can you improve your own photography knowledge and techniques, but you can also turn it into a profitable venture. Here are some ways to make money from online photography classes. Consider creating and selling your own online courses. Share your expertise with others by creating educational content that covers various aspects of photography, such as composition, lighting, editing, and more. You can offer these courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Another option is to become an affiliate marketer for existing online photography classes. Many established photographers and institutions offer their own courses that pay commissions for each referral. By promoting these courses through your blog or social media channels, you can earn passive income. Additionally, offering one-on-one coaching sessions or workshops is a great way to make money from online photography classes. With personalized guidance and feedback, students are willing to pay a premium for this level of instruction. Consider partnering with brands in the industry. As an influencer in the world of photography education, you have the potential to collaborate with camera manufacturers or software companies for sponsored content or ambassadorships. By leveraging your expertise through online photography classes, you not only share your passion but also create multiple streams of income in the process. So why wait? Start exploring this exciting opportunity today. Benefits of taking online photography classes. 1. Flexible learning schedule. One of the biggest advantages of online photography classes is the flexibility they offer. Unlike traditional in-person classes, you can access online courses from anywhere and at any time that suits you. This means you can learn at your own pace without having to worry about conflicting schedules or travel time. 2. Wide range of topics. Online photography classes cover a diverse range of topics, from basic camera skills to advanced techniques like portrait photography or landscape composition. This allows you to choose the specific areas you want to focus on and tailor your learning experience according to your interests and goals. 3. Accessible resources. Most online photography classes provide access to a wealth of resources such as video tutorials, interactive quizzes, downloadable materials, and discussion forums where you can engage with fellow learners and instructors. These resources enhance your learning experience by providing additional guidance and support. 4. Expert guidance. Many online photography classes are taught by experienced professionals who have extensive knowledge and expertise in their respective fields. By enrolling in these courses, you gain access to valuable insights, tips, tricks, and feedback from industry experts that can greatly improve your skills as a photographer. 5. Affordable pricing options. Compared to traditional brick-and-mortar photography schools or workshops, online classes often come at a more affordable price point. Additionally, some platforms offer free introductory lessons or trial periods so that you can test out the course before committing. 6. Interaction with like-minded individuals. Online photography classes also provide an opportunity for networking with other photographers around the world through virtual communities or social media groups dedicated to sharing work samples. Popular platforms for online photography classes. When it comes to learning photography online, there are several popular platforms that offer comprehensive and engaging courses. These platforms have gained popularity due to their user-friendly interfaces, experienced instructors, and the wide variety of topics they cover. One such platform is Udemy, which offers a vast collection of online photography classes taught by industry professionals. From beginner-level courses on mastering camera settings to advanced classes on photo editing techniques, Udemy has something for everyone. Another popular platform is Coursera. Known for its high-quality educational content, Coursera partners with top universities and institutions to provide in-depth photography courses. With options ranging from basic composition skills to specialized genres like portrait or landscape photography, Coursera ensures learners receive a well-rounded education. Creative Live is another standout platform that offers live workshops and on-demand classes taught by renowned photographers. This interactive format allows students to engage with instructors in real time while honing their skills through hands-on assignments and critiques. For those seeking a more personalized learning experience, Skillshare is an excellent choice. With its focus on project-based learning and community interaction, Skillshare allows aspiring photographers to learn at their own pace while receiving feedback from peers and instructors. We cannot overlook the impact of YouTube as a valuable resource for online photography tutorials. Many professional photographers share their knowledge freely through video lessons on this platform. These popular platforms provide ample opportunities for individuals passionate about photography to enhance their skills conveniently from the comfort of their homes. Tips for choosing the right online photography class. When it comes to choosing the right online photography class, there are a few key factors that you should consider. First and foremost, look for a class that aligns with your skill level and interests. Whether you're a beginner or more advanced, finding a course tailored to your needs will ensure that you get the most out of your learning experience. Next, take some time to research the instructor or instructors leading the class. Look for professionals who have relevant experience in the field and can provide valuable insights and feedback. Reading reviews or testimonials from past students can also give you an idea of their teaching style and effectiveness. Another important aspect to consider is the curriculum of the online photography class. Make sure it covers topics that interest you and provides comprehensive instruction on technical skills, composition, editing techniques, and more. A well-rounded curriculum will help you develop a strong foundation in photography. Additionally, think about the format of the class. Some courses may be self-paced with pre-recorded lessons, while others may offer live sessions or interactive elements like forums or critique sessions. Consider what type of learning environment suits your preferences and schedule. Don't forget to factor in cost when choosing an online photography class. While investing in education is important, it's also essential to find a course that fits within your budget. So go ahead, take that leap into digital classrooms, and let yourself explore all possibilities. Conclusion. In today's digital age, online photography classes offer a lucrative opportunity for photographers to not only improve their skills but also earn money. With the flexibility and accessibility that online platforms provide, individuals can learn at their own pace and turn their passion into a profitable venture. Remember to explore different revenue streams such as selling course bundles or offering one-on-one coaching sessions. Utilize social media platforms to promote your courses and engage with potential students. By building an online presence through blogging or creating YouTube tutorials, you can attract a wider audience and establish yourself as an authority in the field. Taking online photography classes also has numerous benefits for aspiring photographers. It allows them to learn from industry professionals without geographical limitations. Online courses often provide interactive lessons, feedback on assignments, networking opportunities with fellow students worldwide, all of which contribute to skill enhancement and career growth.